Welcome to Richard Allen Engineering, a premium British fabricating company. Richard Allen was established over 50 years ago by two engineering friends who were driven to deliver quality products with excellent customer service. That same vision and focus continues today and is delivered by every single employee regardless of their roles. Based in Dewsbury, West Yorkshire, the company is centrally based to service all our clients throughout the UK. Employing over 200 staff, the manufacturing facility covers 5 sites, all based on the same business park. The company has grown steadily over the past 50 years, working in most industries including chemical, pharmaceutical, water, oil and gas, food and beverage, cosmetic and renewable energy, and now has a group turnover of nearly £30 million. The Richard Allen Group comprises of 4 separate companies, including Richard Allen Engineering, Pumps and Gearboxes, Yilmaz and Scaffolding Access Solutions. Pumps and Gearboxes, who supply pumps and gearboxes for both hygienic and industrial applications, offer products from all the major manufacturing companies including Fristam, Loara, Wilden, Alfa Laval, Crest and Ibarra Pumps. They are also the UK service centre for Yilmaz Gearboxes. Yilmaz UK, founded in 2015, works closely with the Turkish manufacturer and has developed to become one of the market leaders in supplying gearboxes, electric motors and variable speed drives for most industrial applications. And finally, Scaffolding Access Solutions, who cover the whole of the UK and are experts in the design, supply and erection of high-quality scaffolding systems. As we spend more than 400,000 hours a year on customer sites, Richard Allen Engineering promotes and enforces a safety-first culture throughout the business. To support that culture, Richard Allen is fully accredited and qualified, holding numerous, nationally recognized certifications and accreditations. With our focus on safety and quality, you can be assured your business and your site's employees are in safe hands. Our single-source solution begins with design. However, it is important to stress that Richard Allen Engineering is neither a design company or project house. Instead, our design service is there to help support our customers and drive orders through our manufacturing facility. Richard Allen Engineering employs a team of highly professional, fully qualified design engineers, each specializing in their own area including mechanical, structural and electrical design. The team can produce a range of design concepts including a simple 2D image, through to a fully rendered 3D model. Working with a selection of industry-leading software packages, including AutoCAD, Tekla, STAAD Pro, Finglo and Intergraph CAD Works, we are able to integrate with most of our clients' systems, allowing for easy flow of ideas and concepts. Richard Allen Engineering specializes in the design for manufacturing and assembly concept, which means we design your product with the ability to both manufacture and assemble here at Richard Allen's site. This means we can test and even commission your equipment prior to delivery, hence less disruption, fewer contractors, so therefore fewer safety risks, and reduced installation time on site, saving our clients time and improving efficiencies across their project. Here is a good example of a design for manufacture project, which we undertook for a customer operating in the chemical industry. This system was designed, manufactured, assembled, tested and commissioned at the Richard Allen Engineering site. The project included pressure vessels, structural steelwork, pipework, electrics and control systems. Once the client was happy, the equipment was broken down into 5 parts, delivered and then reassembled at the customer's site, with the minimum of disruption. Richard Allen is, at heart, a modern fabrication company, with an ambition to exceed customer expectations, by delivering the best products and services, tailored to meet the individual requirements of each client. Employing a large team of fully qualified, professional and experienced coded welders, fabricators and pipe fitters. The team has vast experience of working with a variety of metals, including stainless steel, carbon steel, duplex and exotic metals, and are highly proficient in manufacturing across a multitude of processes. Our manufacturing facility is split into 4 areas. An industrial site for the production of mild steel products, a hygienic site, which only manufactures in stainless steel, offering a truly clean area for our customers requiring an hygienic product, utilizing clean fabrication processes, so preventing cross-contamination between mild and stainless steels. Our third area is for machine tooling, which supports the manufacture of specialist products for Richard Allen's standard fabrication work and projects. And finally, we have an area dedicated to pipework and assembly. Our on-site machinery includes two 15 tons and two 10 tons overhead traveling cranes, along with plate rollers, which can bend plate up to 30 mm, though we can bend thicker plate by utilizing outside services. Our qualified fabricators are experienced in welding plate up to 70 mm, and we offer pickling, passivation, and polishing as standard. Over the last decade, Richard Allen has developed its tank and vessel offering by investing in experienced staff who specialize in this area and bring with them a wealth of knowledge and experience, offering our customers expert advice and guidance in the design, fabrication, and installation of tanks, vessels, and silos. We manufacture welded upright and horizontal storage tanks for most applications, and with capabilities of manufacturing a range of storage tanks from 100 to 400,000 liters, in either single-skinned or double-walled, to allow for insulation, bunding, or medium circulation. We also manufacture internal or external coil heating or cooling systems. As we manufacture to order, we can customize your storage tanks to your unique specifications. To complete our offering, we can also provide internal and external painting, as well as tank lining options, including rubber, PTFE, and other protective coatings for the storage of corrosive materials. To support our storage tanks, we also design and manufacture metal silos up to 400 tons, with a maximum diameter of 4.7 meters. Silos can be supported on either legs or a skirt, and can incorporate ancillary equipment like agitation, load cells, mixers, dosing systems, or conveyors. We design and manufacture pressure, reactor, and vacuum vessels, which are widely used in a variety of process industries. Our specialist design team ensure your vessel is designed to BSEN 13445, PD 5500, and ASME 8 standards. Our coded welders fabricate to ASME 9 and BSEN 287-1 standards, assuring you of the highest quality. All our designs can be backed up with FE analysis if required. We also manufacture hygienic cooking and mixing vessels in our dedicated hygienic production area, ensuring all welds adhere to current regulations to prevent future contamination. Our vessels can be single-skinned or jacketed, and we offer a range of options including agitators, inline mixers, load cells, and spray balls for a quick and efficient method of cleaning your vessel after or between use. As previously mentioned, Richard Allen designs, manufactures, and installs structural steelwork. Our structural design engineers utilize the latest Tekla software, so we can deliver an authorized UKCACE marked product, which is fully compliant with BSEN 1090 and accredited to Execution Class 2. Products include, but not limited to, stairs and ladders, walkways, gantries, safety barriers, platforms, and skids. Our fabrication team also offer a pipework service, which includes fully detailed isometric drawings, in-house NDT and radiography, and trace heating, all delivered and installed by our fully qualified pipe fitters, who fit and weld both metal and plastic pipework. Richard Allen has recently introduced an in-house 3D scanning service. The 3D laser surveys offer a fast and effective way of recording large amounts of on-site measurement data for fabrication, mechanical and structural engineering projects. We also offer an R&D service, working with many national and international organizations to help them design and manufacture specialist products, here at our production facility in Dewsbury. Examples of products we have provided previously include granulators, extractors, dosing systems, conveyors, and more recently, we have been heavily involved in the design and manufacture of carbon capture products with several educational, government, and private sector clients. culminating in Richard Allen being awarded a €5.3 million contract, funded through the UK government and the EU. Our in-house electrical department offers design, build, install and commissioning of electrical, control and instrumentation services. The electrical engineering and design team comprises of qualified, highly skilled, and experienced personnel, capable of providing all aspects of electrical design, from cable mapping, control panels, intelligent instrumentation and associated communications networks, through to HV/LV distribution systems. With a vast pool of experience gained across a variety of sectors, their qualified and respected team of design engineers, electricians and technicians are able to easily adjust to the complexities of your evolving project, providing excellent flexibility and support, along with a keen eye for detail. We are proud to say that we are Compex accredited and NICEIC approved, offering our clients peace of mind and an assurity of a professional approach and quality work. Once the product has been manufactured, our dedicated team of NIBOSH qualified project managers and engineers can oversee a full installation. We are fully compliant with site safety systems such as induction procedures, method statements, risk assessments and permits to work. Our teams of site operatives hold a spectrum of competency cards, ensuring we are capable of handling anything from small, local installations and plant upgrades, to multi-million-pound contracts for global corporations. To support our project managers, we operate a fleet of delivery vehicles, which are capable of loading, transporting and unloading equipment direct to our customers' sites. For larger products, we work closely with a local transport company who are specialists in heavy transport and heavy lift requirements for abnormal loads. Finally, we have spent over 50 years honing and developing our design and production capabilities, which has resulted in Richard Allen gaining an enviable, worldwide reputation for producing first-class products, on time and on budget. We firmly believe that Richard Allen offers businesses the very best in fabrication work, specializing in the design, manufacture and installation of tanks, vessels, silos, steelwork and pipework, as well as unique pieces of equipment, specific to our clients' requirements. We are also proud and excited about our involvement within the carbon capture industry, and look forward to developing equipment that will secure a future for the next generation. But what really sets us apart from the competition are our highly skilled, committed and dedicated staff, who all continually strive to deliver exceptional products and exceed customer expectations. Richard Allen, aspiring, not to be the biggest, just the best.